Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. In today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 24th, 2024. And we have here three puzzles, regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. JigSaw Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so not so good news. News of the day, well, the dinosaur fossils discovered in Hong Kong for the first time. Yeah, that's the news. All right, 9478. 9478. Before I start, I always kind of print the digits 24. Well. Four stars puzzles has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3 twos. We have 1, 2, 3s. 3, 4 fours. Well. 2 5s. 3 6s. 2 7s, 3 8s, and 1 9. So only the 4s are in majority. Can I start with a 4? No. What's happening? No. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, on last column, the only place left the 1 should be there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left the 1 should be there. 1 1. Well, 1 1 1. 1 1, need a 1 here or there. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2, the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 1. 1 1 1. Okay, cannot continue with 1 now, need to wait. How about this column? 4 missing numbers. In this column, first column, one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the second row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, 6, okay. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. What are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need a 7 here. Alright. 7 9. 7 9 and 7 9 and 8. Need 8 there. Yeah. In this column, the first column, we need an 8. Yeah, can be an 8 because we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. So the 8 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. Then, let me see. Need a 7 there. Need a 9. I'm thinking 4 and a 1. Yeah. Need a 4 there. Thinking. Yeah. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6, okay. Need 6 here. Need 6 there. Yeah. 1, 7, and 9 should be here. 3 should be here. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this middle row. No 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2. Okay. 2. We have a pair. The 2 and the 6 in this row. The 2 and the 6 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6. Need a 2 here. Then, let me see. 2, 6. 1. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1, but we have a 1 in one of these 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Need a 1 there. Let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left with 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 4, 4, 4. But the 5 then, no. Well, thinking. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here, need a 7 there. 7 and a 9. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing. The 8, 9 is missing. 7, 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. So here 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. Need a 9 here. No 9 here. No 9 there. 9. 3 in this row. 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with the 3 in this big square should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. Here can be 3 because we have 3 in this column. No 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Here or there. In this row, we have a 3 in the second column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the first column. Second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. Alright. 9 and the 5. Well, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have all the ones. And all the ones are used. I can see it. 1, 5, 9. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 7. No, 5, 9. Need a 9 here. 5, 9. And a 4. 4, 4. Ah, 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only two places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only two places left, 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Okay, need a 4 here also. Okay, let's continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left, 9 should be there. 5, 7, 3. 9, 9. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Need a 5, need a 7 here. 7, oh wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. We have a pair. The 4 and the 9 in this column. The 4 and the 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7, 5, and the 3. Okay. 2 numbers left. No, not 2 numbers left. Need a 6 there. Need a 8 there. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Need a 5 there. 5, 5. Oh, 8. No. Need a 6. 2, 7, then I need a 9 here. 9, okay. Well. How about, need a 8 here, need a 2 here. 6, 6. No 7, need a 7 there, need a 7 there. Seems, can I count the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay. How about the 3s? 3, 3. No. 5s. 5, 5. No. What the 9s? 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Okay. 7 and 5. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column 3 now only 2 places left, but the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 3, okay. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above from that row. The only place left is 7 should be there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in the second column from number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. This 7 and 8 is missing here. 2 and the 6. Okay, 1 box left now in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, the only place left 2 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there, finished in 60 minutes again. Well, we solved again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it and solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.